I'm all geared up to start working on a task. And just when I start making progress, I get a message from a colleague needs my urgent attention. Now, in my head, I'm debating whether to help or not. I decided to help her out. Fast forward 10 minutes. I'm finally ready to get back to my own task. I try to recollect where I left off, but then my phone vibrates with a notification and I am automatically drawn into social media rabbit hole. I eventually managed to get back to my work, but now I have exhausted all my mental energy and just can't to focus anymore. Now I am done. Do you find yourself in a similar situation every day where you have to deal with constant interruptions that leaves you mentally drained and unproductive by the end of the day? You are in a habit of multitasking. Research has been shown that our brain are not actually capable of focusing on more than one at a time. So when we try to multitask, we actually just constantly switching our attention back and forth between tasks, which can leave us feeling exhausted and unproductive. One way to avoid this distraction is by closing any extra tabs on your computer and turning off notifications on your phone or computer or go DND on your messaging system. What? Sanjay, I know these things. I am hungry of learning new techniques. Glad you raised these concerns about my suggestions. But here is my question to you. Did you turn this knowledge to action? If your answer is no, then stop watching this video now. Create your no distraction policy first. Three things which you will do before you go next time in focus mode, and add those three things into the comment below so others will benefit from it. If you are interested in exploring more ways to break the multitasking habit, don't hesitate to ask ChatGPT. On the other hand, if you prefer a more personalized approach with real life examples, feel free to leave a comment and I will be happy to create a video that can guide you towards overcoming this issue. Hello free minds, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Sanjay. I am a working professional based in UK. On this channel we explore evidence-based strategies and tools that helps us improve our busy work life and live happier, healthier and wealthier lives. Multitasking is often a habit that we develop can be closely linked to other habits such as procrastination.
You're not a procrastinator. You have a habit of procrastinating.
We all have moments when we just don't feel like doing something. But if you are constantly putting things off until the last minute, you are draining your mental energy. Procrastination can lead to stress, anxiety, and sense of being overwhelmed. You know that feelings. When you procrastinate on something and you can just feel the pressure building up inside your brain, it's not a fun feeling and it can make you feel really overwhelmed. But the first step towards overcoming procrastination is to identify why you are delaying the task. Maybe it's because you are not interested in the work or it just seems too hard. Once you figure out what's causing you to procrastinate, it's time to take action. One technique that can help is the Pomodoro technique. When you block off 25 minutes period of time to work on the task and remove all the distractions during that time, after that 25 minutes are up, take a break and relax. If you still feel that nagging feeling after the break, it might be a sign that you will procrastinate again. So you can repeat the technique as needed. The important thing is to get started and break the cycle of procrastination and use your no distraction policy to focus for the period. For example, when I started my YouTube channel, I used to criticize myself for not being good at public speaking. But by taking action and creating my first video, I gradually built up my confidence and overcoming my procrastination. This brings us to the last habit that can deplete our mental energy. Do you find yourself constantly putting yourself down, criticizing your own action and thoughts? This habit is known as negative self-talk, and it can be major drain on your mental energy. Alright, so let me share a personal secret with you to help you get an idea how to fix this issue. When I catch up myself indulging in negative self-talk, I have couple of ways to tackle it. One is taking a quick 20 minutes power nap, which works wonder for me. But my dear wife, on the other hand, takes at least 30 minutes to 1 hour to fall asleep. So that's not her cup of tea. So, what's our go-to solution? Breathing retention exercise, also known as square breathing. It is pretty simple. You just inhale for 4 seconds, hold your breath for 4 seconds, exhale for 4 seconds, and hold your breath again for 4 seconds. I practice it because I am not always in a situation where I can take a nap. So give it a try and let me know if it helps you. And don't worry if it takes few tries to get the hang of it. Practice makes perfect. By making small changes to your daily habits, you can boost your mental energy and improve your overall well-being. So go ahead and give it a try and let us know in the comment which habits you will be working on breaking fast. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, check out our mental energy playlist, which is specially designed to help you recharge and optimize your productivity. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.